those 250 cars are made for very special customers.
It gives the possibility to get creative, to think out of the box.
Craftsmanship is one of our main ingredients.
That makes our cars a unique piece of art.
So the craftsmanship in this car is really different. As a normal regular car, it takes 2 or 3 days latest from starting off from a really zero to a final customer-ready product. When you take a look at the AMG PureSpeed, it takes 9 to 11 weeks to build one customer-ready vehicle.
Our main ingredients that we are looking at.
We have a lot of end-of-line testing, so-called, where we check by hand and by eye. And then we have end-of-line check for the overall vehicle. The components, the interior, the exterior, that each of the vehicles 100% fits our quality aspects. The pattern and the painting itself was really special. We started with our expert from Mercedes, who is also developing the styling for the Formula 1 vehicles, and went to our supplier and just started from zero there. So we took a lot of patterns in different sizes and different shapes and put them on the car to understand how they are fitting to the shape of the car, to the rear fender, to the bumpers and so on.
Graphite Grey on the back. So the rear looks really mean and really aggressive and really sporty, because this is what you will probably see when you not driving the car but following the car. This is always an element which is applied by hand. So that makes our cars a unique piece of art. It's not only that you have a spray can with red and one with black, and you can let them flow into each other. You need several different steps, then several different paints, where you come slowly from red into the gray.
Test drive to and back from Nardò was our goal, to really see and to drive the car not only on proven grounds what we have done so far, but also we had the possibility to drive the car in conditions, in areas, what a customer at the end would also do. You need to also consider different weather conditions. I definitely can say we matched and we faced almost all weather conditions. Yes, this means we also faced rain. Was quite a intense experience, to be honest. We also were driving through the night, because you have to consider also the lighting, the ambient lighting, and everything needs to be considered, because you should not be disturbed at the end. For example, also driving through the night from any light what we implement through that car, for example.
So the customers of our AMG PureSpeed are brand enthusiasts, are driving enthusiasts.
Our customers are pretty much like everywhere, passionate about their cars and passionate about the automobile in general.
I was actually excited because I think it's the perfect project for somebody in marketing and sales, because it gives the possibility to get creative, to think out of the box, and to do something very different to what we are doing in other projects.
was the Big Bang, the official one in Monaco, on that ponton with George, which was just spectacular.
So with our pre-communication in Monaco, as we announced the concept cars, we got a lot of requests from out of the world of a lot of customers that want to have the car.
A lot of calls, emails, contacts with our dealers. Then began the selection process, which is always hard. And then we will certainly have a community of PureSpeed aficionados.
The PureSpeed is much more than a car. It is completely different. It is a feeling.
It's the purest driving experience. So sitting in the car, driving this car, it's just something very special.
Well, my personal highlight is not a component itself, it's that car. To sit in a car with only 250 customers can ever feel and meet.
Mercedes-AMG has a very long tradition with crazy, radical, small series cars. So we will definitely continue on that path. And it's not only exciting for our customers, but also for us as an AMG team to create cars that go beyond everything.